Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Shopify error 1001. So, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, if you're having issues or you're getting the Shopify error 1001, there are a few things that you need to do here, or in this case, a few steps that you could do to probably solve this issue. So, in this case, one of them is to allow DNS propagation. So, if you've recently updated your DNS records, you'll need to be patient. So, DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, typically up to like 24 hours to 48 hours. So, during this period, your updates might not be visible to everyone immediately. In this case, it is recommended that you wait for, in this case, 24 to 48 hours. Now, in this case, once 24 to 48 hours is up and you're still having this issue, again, there's still a few things that you can do here. So first is you want to actually access your domain registrar. Now, log into the control panel of your domain registrar. So this depends on your, in this case, domain registrar, so which is the service you bought your domain name. Now, you also need to check your DNS settings. So your DNS settings, particularly the A record or C name records, make sure to, in this case, these records are correctly configured to point to Shopify server. To find the correct DNS settings, check Shopify instructions by going to the Shopify admin panel, and you want to go to the settings at the bottom left here. And usually you should be able to see a section for domains. And again, you should be able to see the connect existing domain here, and you should be able to see an instruction on how to actually connect your, in this case, transfer your Shopify, or in this case, connect your domain. So in this case, you go ahead and do that. So in this case, if you want to learn more about domains, you go and click on the domain section here. But yeah, so in this case, what are the other things you can do here as well? So you want to actually check Cloudflare's Flare settings, if it's actually, or in this case, if you're using Cloudflare. Now, if you have Cloudflare set up for your domain, go to your Cloudflare dashboard, review your DNS records, ensure that the settings for your Shopify domain are set to DNS only rather than proxied. So this settings ensures that Cloudflare isn't interfering with your Shopify connection. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.